Are you tired of missing out of the latest WhatsApp updates on your iPhone? Don't worry, we got you covered. With just a few simple steps, you'll never miss a WhatsApp update again. First, update your iPhone settings. First, go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down until you see the App Store option. Next, make sure that the Updates option is turned on. This will ensure that all of your apps, including WhatsApp, are automatically updated. Finally, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network, and this will ensure that your apps are updated quickly and without using your cellular data. Second, check your WhatsApp version. If for some reason the app is not showing the latest updates, make sure you have the latest version by following the next steps. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap on Help, and check out which version is showing at the top of the screen. Now go to the App Store and search for WhatsApp app. Tap on it and verify which version is the latest. If you do not have the latest version, the blue button will say Update. But if you do have the latest version, it will say Open. Click on Update button and wait until the app is completely updated. Open WhatsApp, and now you should be able to see the latest WhatsApp features. And that's it! With these simple steps, you'll never miss a WhatsApp update again. Stay connected with your friends and family and enjoy all the latest features that WhatsApp has to offer. I hope you find this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye!